everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I have three essential oils that I love to use for deep cleaning. Perfect this time of year when you open the windows up and you want something invigorating and refreshing. These are great essential oils to use for any of your spring cleaning or deep cleaning, and we're going to make three homemade cleaning products so we can get started and tackle some of our spring cleaning chores. So let me introduce the oils, and we are also going to make them, and we are also going to clean. So hopefully these give you some inspiration that you can make homemade cleaning products with very simple ingredients. Once you have all your basic ingredients, it's so inexpensive and so affordable, and then hopefully this video will also motivate you. So I'm going to grab those essential oils and tell you which ones that I love using in the spring. Okay, so the first essential oil that we are going to use to spring clean is orange. I love orange because it's a citrus. It's very uplifting, and it's perfect this time of year when you want that motivation to tackle all of your spring cleaning and organization in your home. So orange is just a wonderful oil, and we're going to use this to make my wood cleaner, so our DIY wood cleaner. The lemon, I like to use it in my homemade glass cleaner, and I also like to use it in that wood cleaner as well. This oil's nice with orange. It's another citrus oil. It helps with obviously any preserving of any type of wood. So I just love using lemon essential oil. It also disinfects and cleans very well. The last essential oil is eucalyptus. I love this because it nips flus and viruses in the butt. It's wonderful on leather. So I actually have a leather sofa and reclining chairs in my main living room. So we are going to clean all of the leather and give it a nice refresh entering into spring. So with these essential oils, you're going to need a couple of cleaning products or a couple household products around your house. One being vinegar. Most homes have vinegar. You're going to need olive oil. Yes, cooking olive oil. It's not just for cooking. I use it for skincare and also for cleaning. You're going to need alcohol. If you don't have alcohol, you can use witch hazel. You're going to need that in my glass cleaner. And you're going to need filtered water. And the reason I like to use filtered water is because there's no chemicals in there and there's nothing extra in there. So it actually keeps the integrity of the essential oil and the integrity of the other ingredients that you're putting in your amber glass jar, glass bottles that you're going to be using too as well. So you are going to need amber glass bottles. You can use them in various sizes, anywhere from 2, 4 to 8 ounces, just depending on how much you're going to use. I like to use a larger bottle for my glass cleaner just because I use that a little bit more frequently. And my wood cleaner and my leather cleaner, I use a little bit smaller bottle because I don't use it as frequently, and I want to make sure I use it up and whatnot, because this doesn't store for a super long time. You want to store it for about 3 to 6 months. So if you know you're going to use a lot of leather cleaner or wood cleaner, you can use a bigger bottle, completely fine. You will also need a funnel to get the ingredients inside your bottle and measuring cups as well. So we are going to go ahead and turn around this camera and check out my homemade cleaning products, and I'm going to show you how I use them in my home during the spring months.
Okay, so if you've been following me for a while, I love making homemade cleaners. So we are going to make this citrus wood cleaner. You're going to need a funnel, orange, lemon essential oil, olive oil, and vinegar. In a small spray bottle, you're going to go ahead and combine your vinegar, olive oil, and lemon and orange essential oil. I love using both of these oils because they not only disinfect and they have wonderful, wonderful smells, but they do help to shine up your wood, which is perfect for my wood tables and cabinets and coffee table and whatnot. Okay, we're gonna move on to my DIY leather cleaner, and this leather cleaner is very simple, using the same ingredients: olive oil, vinegar, and eucalyptus essential oil. Eucalyptus essential oil is perfect in preserving and keeping your leather hydrated, but it's also great for helping to prevent bacteria and viruses in the upper respiratory system. If you've been following me for a long time, I love making my own DIY cleaners around my home because it is great because they're non-toxic and they're very affordable. This last DIY cleaner I'm making is my famous glass cleaner, and it's basically lemon essential oil with alcohol and vinegar. It is wonderful. I love using this. It works just as well as all of the over-the-counter cleaners for your windows out there, such as Windex. And here I'm just topping it off with filtered water, and I'm going to put my lid on. And I put this in a larger bottle because I use this quite frequently. I also use it on my stainless steel as well. And as you know, lemon essential oil is great because it helps with killing bacteria and viruses. So here I am placing labels on everything just so I know what is what, and I do have tons of free printable labels over on my blog, so make sure you go and check it out. So here I am giving my kitchen table a very good deep cleaning. I am using my wood cleaner to clean this, and I'm getting all on the tops and sides and bottoms and everywhere else. Deep cleaning your home can be very overwhelming, but I feel great when I'm using good natural products because it also inspires me and uplifts me. And the citrus oils does that. It does bring you a lot of motivation and inspiration just because of the smells of them. Here I'm cleaning our coffee table really well, getting all the germs off the sides and on top. And then I'm going to go ahead and do that with our entertainment center. My entertainment center, I really wanted built-ins, but it just wasn't going to be something that was going to happen in the future. And the entertainment center I found that gives me the illusion of a built-in. It fits in the space nicely and it is wonderful. So I'm just giving everything a good cleaning with my wood cleaner. And yes, this is all wood, even though it is white. And I'm using the lemon and orange citrus wood cleaner for it. There has been so much going on here in the past year on the farmhouse, and one of the things that I'm getting ready to do is update this space. If you guys want me to share the journey, I am giving these walls a good painting and doing some updates and making it a little bit more minimal and a little bit more clean and cozier and giving that farmhouse country feel that I've always desired and wanted. If you guys are interested in let me know, because I'll be sure to do that for you. Everything's going to be pretty inexpensive and DIY. We don't make a whole lot of money, so we're hoping that we can do it all on a budget, and hopefully you guys want to come along with me. So here is that shelving unit I was referring to. I'm cleaning it all really, really well and dusting everything really, really well just to get all the germs out. Today was a beautiful day, so I was able to open up the windows to get all the dust bunnies out and all the germs out as well. Okay, now another thing I love to deep clean in my home in the spring is all of my windows. I have so many windows, probably way too many, but they do need to be clean inside and out. I have a 2-story home, so it's a little tricky for some of my windows to get on the outside, but I try my best, and I'm using that all natural glass cleaner. to clean all of my windows. So I am basically starting from the top of my home all the way down, getting every single glass window that I can possibly find, which is about 19 windows. If you include the door wall and the doors, that's about 22 windows. But here we are cleaning them with a towel. I love using this Dyson little dust buster, if you want to call it that, to clean in all of the crevices in my windows from dirt, debris, dead bugs, you name it. It's just easier to get in there and clean it all, including cobwebs. So it's just a great thing. If you don't have anything like this, you can use an attachment on your vacuum cleaner or a shop and vac to do that, and it will get the job done. Spring is my favorite time. I just love refreshing and renewing everything in my home to prepare it for the upcoming year. It's just a great way to give your home a nice deep clean, a refresh, and it just is like a new year to me. I don't know what it is about the spring, just all of the growth and the rebirth of everything. This is my new year. I know New Year's is usually January 1st, but I feel like March 20th is the start of my new year, just to bring in perspective all of the things that are extremely important to me and things I want to accomplish this upcoming year to renew and refresh, rebuild, and gain control of my life and my farm and whatnot. Almost done with all of my windows. I hope this motivates you to refresh and evaluate and deep clean your home this spring. I hope this also inspires you to use more natural products in your home. They're not only great for the environment, they're great for your family, and they do the job, and they're very inexpensive for you to make. Maybe in the beginning when you collect all the items you need, it might be a big cost, but after a while of doing it, the cost kind of subsides and it's very affordable, I promise you. I've been cleaning with vinegar for years, olive oil and essential oils for years, and they just are great. If you want other DIY cleaning products to learn how to make them, I have tons over on my blog, which is www.riggscreekfarmhouse.net. I have a counter cleaner there. I have a sink scrub, you name it. Go over to my blog and check it out, because I don't have just these 3 I'm sharing today. There are several others. I will link everything below in the description box. So the last and final thing we are going to tackle is our leather in my house. If you don't have leather, you can go ahead and skip this step. We actually just purchased this leather sectional this year, and yeah, it's not the most attractive, but it's perfect for my family because we do use our family room for movie and media and entertainment. We hardly ever really visit in here with family and friends. We usually use the outdoor space or our kitchen, because our kitchen is quite large. It seems to be everybody gathers in the kitchen to visit, and this part for media watching, like such as sports. We're a big sports family, especially football and baseball. So I'm giving all of this a good deep cleaning and making sure all the germs are off.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you some cleaning motivation, and I also hope that I gave you enough information to get started with essential oils and cleaning with them. If you want full details on these recipes, I will link it below in my description box. If you want to get started with essential oils and you're not sure the direction, please reach out to me and let me know. I will also have in the description box below a link on how to get started with essential oils, and I have tons of other cleaning recipes over on the blog as well, so make sure you check that out as well. Remember to like this video if you enjoy these natural cleaning videos, and give it a thumbs up. So like and share, and remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me, and I hope to see you guys real soon on things that I do and love to do here on the banks of Riggs Creek Farmhouse. So long.